What is going on, everyone? Got a quick tutorial here to share with all of you on how to install and remove the micro SD card and battery from the GoPro Hero9 Black. So on the corner of the GoPro, you're going to find a little latch. You need to pull it down with your fingernail or your finger, and that way you can open up that compartment door. Then you want to take the micro SD card and you want to face it exactly in this direction as I'm showing in the video here. And then you'll be able to slide it down in behind the metal plate there. There's a perfect opening, a perfect pocket for that SD card to fit down into. And then once you get it in place, then you want to press it down until you feel it kind of click down in place because it's kind of like spring loaded. And then you want to go ahead and insert your battery in that direction right there. Then you can go ahead and close up that compartment door and push that latch in so it clicks in place. So now if you want to go ahead and remove that SD card and battery, go ahead and open the compartment back up, pull the battery out. Now you have to actually press down on the SD card first. It's kind of like spring loaded like I had mentioned, and that will allow it to pop up, and then you can get a hold of it and pull it out correctly. And that's pretty much all you need to do to install the micro SD card and battery into the GoPro Hero9 Black. That's pretty much all I got for you. If you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, hit that like button and share it, and I'll see you all in the next one.